Alright, I am going to attempt to put, I did my handle in the other video if you want. Now I'm going to put it on the briefcase panel that I'm working on. So this is the panel, got the front part done. I pre-punched my holes to the left and right spine that attaches to the handle. Now I'm going to connect it to the briefcase flap like that. This part is characterized as one of the most pain in the ass parts on my finger, just where it's positioned. I'm going through 3 pieces of thick leather. So you got the bottom and then you got 1 and 2. So just going through 3 pieces of thick leather is hard on the fingers. Trying to get it all together, it's just a pain in the ass. That's how I always characterize this part. Probably one of the parts I don't like to do just because it's so much stress on the fingers. I'm always using these pliers because I can't rely on my fingers. They're not that strong to act like pliers. When I use pliers though, it does slow me down. I'm always putting it down, picking it up, putting it down, picking it up. Like I say, time is money, and anything that slows you down, you know, slows you down. So that's probably why I don't like doing this part. So I'm going to videotape it to show anyone who's interested and just to see how slow it is.
I'm young Abraham in front of the project open. If I honor myself, then my honor is nothing. Even the spirit of evil in the veins of a junkie. Pay peanuts and you get monkeys. Honky C, honky do, yeah. Doing your foul servant amongst crack dealers, street merchants. Okay, yeah. Flows from out of my mouth. Up north, down south, yeah, I'm never without. Extra heat on some black burner, semi-assault. Buccaneer, yeah, I'm Buccaneer, holes in your form. Because if you ain't busting out in that studio edits, who doing the shooting? Your engineer get all the credit. So while you busting shots in a 4-hour session, I'll be aiming at cops in the name of oppression. Mac 1 to the second power, clap off the end. I can hit anything up close or far away. Spray lead at the governor's head. Cause he wanna break bread with the slaves that never been fed.
One for my son's money, 2 for the show. 3, I get busy. 4, I'm out the door, bro. 5, the click, live. The sun no job, plays the haze in the east. That purple push on the west side. Tech vest with the metal slide. Some rebel best style. I do or die, hide on the ride. This revolution will be televised. Through lights, I'm mesmerized. Sight spies, small flies, living one came from the deck. Yeah, the cause and effect make innocent blood pour. The streets is like the rap game, a daily tug of war. For rich or for poor, or death to a part. Niggas come for that. Still grinding, still sliding, sliding. Don't try me, don't try me. Been long years,
Bring fire with rough, let the heat pour. Niggas like rough, fuck the rhyme until the streets fall. Listen, life is like a motherfucking seesaw. One minute you hot, next your rest rock, none of your biz. Fuck around and run in your crib. White life ain't here, don't summon your whiz. Niggas running up on me to the Trey Pound click. Talking about roughless battle on some A-Mount shit. I'm like, nigga, my name ain't Breathe Rabbit, it's Sean Pryor, big rubbers, these ratchets. Call me Dave Baggins, and fucking up these faggots. That niggas ain't nothing, stop running, stay passive, yo. Plastic Dutch on the left-hand side. Sean Gordon to November Snow, rock left ride. Bomb battling, carjacking, New Jersey driving. That niggas ain't think about rapping, and you heard me rhyming. Oh, yeah.
still grinding, nigga. Still sliding, sliding. Don't try me, don't try me. Been long years, He's real in the field, maybe still on the drill. Never stingy with my bills, when he gravy I spill. Recorded in the history of rap, 2-inch reels. 7 to 10 hills, 11 to 20 hills. Rest in peace to my brother, half a bill.
I don't think I punched that hole good enough.
Move with the mass appeal, the flash steel. With a cash money click, no limits and no frills.
That's what slows you down. This hole right now, something's going on. I didn't punch it out correctly. It's giving me a lot of resistance. Alright, I just did one stitch on this spine. I'm going to show you in a second. Alright, so what? Time is what? 8:23 right now? And I just did this one thing. 8 minutes, about 8 minutes, 8 minutes, and the other two 8 minutes, and the corners. Talking about an hour just on the handle. So this is gonna go like this when it's done. Grip like that, okay?